For dinner tonight, yeah, I want macaroni and cheese, the blue box. And then I want it in my yellow bowl with my blue spoon. Okay, Mommy? Great. No, it has to be the blue spoon. It has to be. Please. Okay, thank you, Mommy. I love you. Yeah, I'm gonna do a video in a moment. Okay, thank you. Bye. 3, 2, 1, go. Hi, this is Brian Hegney. Hi, I'm Brian Hegney, instructor of communication at High Point University. You've probably seen my last two videos if you're my class, and we're using Git and GitHub with Unreal Engine. And there may in fact be a couple hiccups. I want to show you one hiccup that might happen and how we can avoid that hiccup. And it's going to work if you follow the directions from the last video. For instance, if you want to add your part of the component, your component, to the Unreal project, and this way I will be able to only download one Unreal project to see everyone's project. So you already know if I go into map, and I've already made a couple just so I could test it first. You'll notice I have Hegney map, Smegny map, and Schmegny map. I'm going to make another one because what I want to do is kind of show you that I'm going to make... Oh no, I'm not going to make a new level. I've done that every single time. It's going to be a blank level. I actually want to duplicate the first-person example map. That way the lighting comes in, the skybox comes in, the floor, the walls, everything. It comes in. So I'm just going to right-click first-person example map, say duplicate, and I'm going to call this something. I'm going to call this Heg Office Map. Hegs. I'll call it Hegs, so it has a Z on it. That's important. Enter. Okay, Heg's office map. Gonna double click it, and it's gonna, of course, wanna save it. Yeah, so we're gonna go to that. Now you can see the tab says Heg's office map. Okay, that's what I'm gonna work with upstairs in my office. This is my office. The next thing I'm going to do is go to blueprints. I'm going to create a new blueprint, actor, and I'm going to call this Hegs Office _ BP. I'm going to double click that because I'm actually going to just kind of simulate, hey, what if I were to add a static mesh? What if I were to turn it into a shape cube? I'm going to compile it and save it. I'm not going to go through the motions of actually turning this into a thing. And so I'm going to drag Heg's Office BP into here on the word first. And I'm going to save all. Save all. Now in this case, I have not pushed it to the master, right? So I'm simulating, I'm at home, I just pulled something, I'm working on it. What if somebody's working on the same exact project now? Now, what if somebody pulls this from down in the computer lab and pushes it before I get a chance to do that? So if you just pause for a moment, you can pause, or I'll pause. I'm going to go downstairs, do the exact same thing, create a new one. I'll probably call it Heg's Game Lab BP, Heg's Game Lab map. And you can see I don't have that map here. There's no Heg's Game Lab map. I'm going to go downstairs, do all that, push it so that the version online is different than the version I just downloaded. And that's going to simulate the issues we had in the classroom. So bear with me, I'll be right back. There you go, great. Alright, so I just went downstairs. I did the exact same thing I just showed you, right? I pulled the repository, or I cloned the repository from GitHub to downstairs in the game lab. I duplicated the first person example map and created a new one called Hegs game lab map, and then I created a new blueprint in the blueprint folder called Hegs what? Hegs what? Blueprint or something like that. I don't know. And then I saved it all, and then I pushed it. Of course, I unchecked all the little yellow things. Right? Unchecking the yellow is important. Alright, so now, what I'm going to do, and the thing is, so now, what's on GitHub is different than what I pulled originally, and that is probably going to happen. So let's go ahead and take a look at this. So I'm going to save all once again. I haven't really done anything. I could do something, but I don't know. Maybe I'll just raise this up and down like that. I'll just raise it up. Yeah, save current. Oh, I meant to say save all. Save all. Now I'm going to close this. Okay. Now here's where things get interesting. Let me just embiggen this a little bit. There we go. Put this down. There we go. The interesting thing is, normally this is where I'd go and I'd uncheck this, uncheck that, uncheck this, uncheck everything that's kind of odd, right? And I'm gonna write, okay, a little summary. So, Hagney's office time. And then I'm gonna write, added Haig's office stuff. Parentheses, map, and blueprint. There. I'm gonna commit this. Commit to master. Now, notice this says push origin. Last fetched 22 minutes ago. But I can assure you, I just changed it about 5 minutes ago. So the thing I fetched is different than the thing that is on there right now. And GitHub is going to know that when I push this button. Click. Okay, this is what you're going to see. The repository has been updated since you last pulled. Try pulling before pushing. Okay. Close. Now, so I knew that, but you're not going to know that somebody pulled it or pushed it. So what I'm going to do is click repository pull. Okay? And it's going to tell me conflicts were detected as part of the last merge operation. I will need to view and resolve these conflicts via my editor or shell before finishing and creating the merge conflict. So I'm going to click view conflicts. Now, all these things here are my conflicts. So what I'm going to do is uncheck those conflicts. Look, they're really just logs. And what I'm going to do there is type a description, say, I don't know, GitHub made me uncheck the conflicts after I added Haig's map and blueprints. There. Now I can commit this to master. Now I can push it. It's added a new log. Now I can push it. And now it's writing that. And it's going to give me, it's going to add my stuff that I put here to the stuff online. I'm pretty sure this is how we're going to do it. And then I'm actually going to remove it. Remove. Now, if I want to see what happened since then, right, I'm going to pull it again. Actually, I should have. Darn it. No, that's not the one I want. Clone repository. Sorry, guys. Because now this is simulating me just checking it out again, right? It's for 9 minutes. Yeah. I'm not sure if this is actually recording. There it is. There it is. So now you can see, yeah, we've got the Hegs office map, the Hegs game lab map. I'm going to double click game lab. Hey, there's a little box. Go double click Hegs office. There's the box that I raised and I pushed it. And it's all working well as long as we uncheck those boxes that are yellow, as far as I can tell, and uncheck, obviously take care of those conflicting things. So I'm not sure if all of this is 100% right, but I know we can start this process of working through GitHub with each other. Okay, and of course it's going to make a lot of maps, but when we're all working asynchronously, that's going to be the best thing. Okay, so I hope you guys do well, and we'll figure this out together. Okay, bye!